Spatiotemporal segregation implies that resource selection differs among sex and age classes. It is widespread among large carnivores, but its nature remains not fully understood. In a recent publication in the Journal of Animal Ecology, we show that infanticide as a male reproductive strategy best explained spatiotemporal segregation in brown bears. This paper was co-authored by Jonas, Kindberg, Swenson, Andreas, Zedrosser, and me, Steyaert. Brown bears are size-dimorphic seasonal breeders with a polygamous mating system. Cub mortality can reach up to 60% per year, and non-parental infanticide is an important cause of death. In our Scandinavian study population, annual cub mortality averages 35%. Non-parental infanticide explains at least 90% of the cub mortality and is almost exclusively committed by males. Segregation is common in brown bear populations, albeit poorly understood. We tested 3 hypotheses to explain segregation in a Scandinavian brown bear population. First, non-parental infanticide can be a foraging strategy or a strategy to reduce future competition. To increase reproductive success, females with cubs are expected to avoid conspecifics throughout the year. Secondly, non-parental infanticide can be a male reproductive strategy in which males create breeding opportunities by killing unrelated dependent offspring. This hypothesis predicts that females with cubs avoid males during the mating season, but not during the post-mating season. The body size hypothesis postulates that differences in predation vulnerability, physiology, and competitive abilities cause segregation, and predicts that males and all females segregate except during the mating season. We captured and GPS marked brown bears between 2006 and 2010 and linked their GPS relocation data with various spatial data layers. We statistically modeled resource selection of adult males, lone females, and females with cubs on a diurnal and a seasonal scale. We mapped our modeling results and used these maps as a basis to measure segregation between the different reproductive classes. As predicted according to the non-parental infanticide as a male reproductive strategy hypothesis, segregation was strongest between adult males and females with cubs during the mating season. After the mating season, segregation among the 3 reproductive classes was not apparent. Females with cubs selected for less dense vegetation, older forests, and less rugged terrain and conspecifics during the mating season. After the mating season, they selected their resources similar as adult males and lone females. Also during the mating season, adult males and lone females avoided settlements at close ranges, whereas these areas were selected for by females with cubs. After the mating season, females with cubs also avoided settlements. This suggests that females with cubs use human presence as a shield against infanticide. Our results suggest that females with cubs adjust their resource selection to avoid sexually selected infanticide, which may restrict females with cubs to select for energetically optimal resources and can thus add to the female cost of reproduction.